In general, I would say that a child's social early environment has a powerful potential of fostering addiction, and in particular a particular type of addiction. But I'm not 100% sure if it's an exact correlate. For example, just because your father worked at the track doesn't mean that you're going to have a horse racing addiction. In fact, you might look at horse racing more normally than someone who comes off the street and just kind of, pays their, a few bucks to get into the track. It's not quite that simple. It's more about the exposure. Did dad, mom, uncle, aunt show you in some way that this was okay to get overly involved with? Or on the other side, did your models show that moderation on these things was the right thing? If it's not too much to say here, I even support the idea that societies and cultures that support moderation, for example, in alcohol, probably have less alcoholism than societies that breed or support abstinence or excess. It's a social psychological force that influences the individual.